Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset or hard reset your HP Pavilion. The model number is provided in the beginning of the video so you know the exact model for this PC. It's a very easy steps. Most of Windows 10 has a recovery key. Every brand has a different key. Now with HP it's the F11 key. So what we want to do is we want to make sure the PC is completely turned off. So we're going to turn off the PC and press the F11 key so it would take us to that recovery screen. So as soon as you turn it on, tap a couple times on the F11 key, then let go when you see the please wait on the bottom. This will take you to the recovery screen, then I will show you what to do next. Once this screen opens up, we're going to use the mouse. Then we're going to go to where it says Troubleshoot. It's the one all the way on the bottom. So click on Troubleshoot. Then it'll give you these two different options. We're going to use the first one, says Reset this PC. You click on that. Then it will give you two other options, either to keep your files or delete everything off the PC. We're going with the second option. Now the second option will take a while when it's working to reset everything on this computer. If you do the first option, it will be a quick format. With this, it will be a complete wipe and it will delete everything on the computer. After it's done loading up, it will give you two more options, either to delete all the drivers or just one. So we're going to pick the bottom option, which is all drivers, and this will completely delete all the drivers on the computer. Once you do that, it will start deleting everything on the PC. It's going to take maybe an hour or two. It depends on how quick your computer or laptop is. Once it's done, it's going to be back to factory settings. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching.